Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you the first time pairing for HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 Pro. First, I have here an iPhone 12 and the HUAWEI Watch. Select the language and use QR code. On your phone, open the camera and scan the QR code. Then Google will open and download the HUAWEI Health app. Click Open, and right here you just need to sign in. Then go to Devices, and here we should have the Add Device option, and click Connect. We need to confirm the pairing. Pair, allow for notifications. Read the terms of use and accept. Next. Not all enhanced services are selected. This may affect the use of some services. Continue anyway. We can select fall detection, and pairing is successful. Your health, fitness, and other personal information, as well as messages, location, contacts, calendar, device information, and configuration will be synced between your phone and wearable through HUAWEI Health. You can stop syncing by disconnecting the device. We can select auto download over Wi-Fi and auto install updates, and reset or restart the device when not in use. I will select both options. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.